everybody. My name is Kim, and I'm the happiest cook. Well, thank you so much for joining us here today in my kitchen. We are going to be making a family favorite comfort food. It's chicken parm in a bowl. It's kind of like a soup, but it's a little thicker, but it's really good. Easy, and your kids are gonna love it. I have all my things together. Do you have yours? Okay, like I always say, let's get cooking. So we're all done and ready to try. So let's give this a hot. That is really good. Well, that was fun doing. So thank you so much for joining us today here at the Happiest Cook. And I hope you try my recipe and enjoy it with your family. Join us next time here on the Happiest Cook, where we'll continue our adventures in cooking and trying new things. So, like I always say, let's get cooking and keep on cooking. Bye.